Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to display your FPS, frames per second, in Steam games, a great way to monitor performance and optimize your gameplay. First, open your Steam app and log into your account using your username and password. Next, click on Steam in the top left corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. After that, click the In-Game tab on the left sidebar. Here, you'll find the Show Performance Monitor option. Under Performance Detail Level, choose the FPS multiple option that suits your needs. Then select where you want the FPS counter to appear on your screen, top left, top right, bottom left, or bottom right. Pick a spot that's easy to glance at but doesn't distract from gameplay. To make the counter more visible, enable High Contrast Color. This helps the FPS reading stand out against different backgrounds, and that's it. You've just activated the FPS counter in Steam, giving you real-time insight into your game's performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.